Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial we're going to be making these cute little bows that are going to be perfect for the holiday season to pop onto presents, and we are going to make these using some gingham ribbon and our fingers. First thing we need to do is measure approximately 19 inches of ribbon, and then we are just going to take some scissors and trim that. To start making our bow, we are going to take our hand and we are going to place the ribbon over our fingers, hold it down using our thumb against our second finger, and we are going to split our fingers and make a V sign. Then, holding the underside of the ribbon, wrap it inside our fingers, round the bottom, underneath and back over our index finger, and then using the ribbon that we have in our other hand, we are going to bring it all the way down over the top so the ribbon tails are joining in the centre. Here we have a gap. Taking this tail of the ribbon, we are going to push it through the gap and it's going to poke out underneath. Pull that through and then continue to wrap it round the front, and here we have created a loop. So taking that tail of ribbon, push it underneath the loop and we are going to pull it. Then we need to wiggle it around, pulling it tight because that is going to hold our bow in the centre, and as we can see now that's quite tight. Then taking the other tail of ribbon, pull that round to the front as well. Then if we wiggle our fingers, the ribbon will come off, and there we can see now we have our bow, and all we need to do is separate the pieces of ribbon, and we can see now we have two hoops on either side of our bow. And to finish it off, for the tails of ribbon we just need to snip those any way you want. If you want them to be that way, or you can have them so the points go the opposite way. So you can either finish them off so the points are that way or the points are like that. And then now you have a cute little bow ready to put on any holiday gifts. Thanks for watching, hope to see you again soon.